Our learning goal today is that I can identify the main topic and retell key details of a text. Today I'm going to read aloud a text to you called All About Globes. It is a nonfiction text. While I'm reading, I'm going to pay close attention to what the passage is all about, because the main topic is what the text is all about or mostly about. I'm also going to pay attention to key details. Key details are important pieces of information that help me to understand the main topic even better. Globes are a special kind of map. Maps are flat, but globes are round. They also spin. Globes are the only map that show Earth as it looks from space. Globes show land and oceans. You can also find rivers, large lakes, and mountains. Globes use symbols to stand for real places on Earth. Colored lines show the country's borders. Globes have lines on them. These lines are imaginary lines. They help people find places on Earth. The line circling the middle of the Earth is called the equator. People like globes because the shape makes it easy to understand where places are on the planet. So part of our learning goal today was to identify the main topic of the text. And the main topic is what the text was mostly about. Today, the book that I read was mostly about globes. The second part of our learning goal today was to retell key details from the text. And key details are important information that help you to understand the main topic. Sometimes you can remember key details very easily. But other times, especially when reading nonfiction, you have to look back in the text to help you remember the key details. I'm going to look back in the beginning of the text right now. I'm going to reread the first page. Then I'm going to underline some key details, maybe just one, from the very first page. It says globes are a special kind of map. Maps are flat, but globes are round. They also spin. Globes are the only map that show Earth as it looks from space. So I have to think about what was key or most important. And I think probably this part was the most important, that globes are round. So the first key detail is that globes are round. I'm going to read another page from the middle of the text. Globes have lines on them. These lines are imaginary lines. They help people find places on Earth. The line circling the middle of the Earth is called the equator. That sounds like a key detail. So I'm going to underline the line circling the middle of the Earth is called the equator as another key detail from the text. The last key detail I want to pull from an illustration or a photograph. And this photograph is from the text. And when I look at that with my eagle eye, I could see very closely some information that is new or different than what was read in the words. When I look at this picture, I see that the globes can be different colors. Here I see some blue, over here I see some yellow, over here I see a different shade of blue and some orange. But I know, based on the illustration, that globes can have different colors. So today we learned that the main topic is what the text is mostly about. Key details help me understand the main topic better. Those details can come from the words, illustrations, or photographs. And good readers look at all of those things to help them better understand what they're reading.